under the curse. All right, YouTubes. Let's put some light on the subject. All right, 6:18 in the morning. We're gonna head out for our evaporator coil change out. I got one today, one tomorrow morning. Same style units. And Beverage Air evap coil R290s. Let's get out there, brah, and see what's going on. And tomorrow is the Super Bowl. Super Bowl Sunday. Oh yeah. All right, let's get out there. We'll get you guys to drive out. Let's do it. I got to the job site a little bit early at 6:30. They're going to be here at 7 so I could drink my coffee. I get a little coffee going and then we'll get all the tools up, and then I'm working right over there, and we're going to be working in that store. And oh yeah, last night's bet on the live stream, will they have the refrigerator cleared out and ready for me, or will it still be full of stuff? Place your bets now. And when we get in there, I'll make sure we go check that first after we take gear inside. And we'll check in on a Tippo. We'll have to see what shape Tippins is in. All right, let's get out there. Oh man, I'm having my coffee and you guys busted me right here listening to Billie Eilish. All right, we're gonna get Tippins. We're gonna get parts, torch, all kinds of goodies. Let's get in there. All right, there's cap 2. Coil's a mega leaker, oily everywhere. We're on the vacuum pump. They shipped out new dryer, new cap tube, new coil. That was nice of Beverage Air. Got the whole kit. This thing's like mega oily. It's 9:04. I'm all done with that job. That was a warranty one from Beverage Air. I didn't get to film any of it. The owner kind of sat down Indian style right where I was working to check it all out. So I got no video, but I do have another one to do tomorrow. I'll try and film the whole job tomorrow, and we'll see how we make out. And I hate when that happens, but hey, we did our best. So it's like, the Beverage Airs aren't too bad. That's like 2-hour change out, cap tube, dryer, and evap coil. They're not super hard to work on. You just go in there and take it all apart, then put it all back together. And I'll try and get some play-by-play tomorrow if I'm not getting lurked. All right, I got the coil in the back of the truck, the one I changed out of the Beverage Air today. Sweated in a fitting, sealed that up. Pressurized the crap out of it, like 205. Then we'll go find these bubbles. She is a leaker. And we'll find it leaking. And I need to submerge it and see the bubbles come out. Oh, bubbles. That's one part that's a leaker. Getting bubbly. Got some water on it. Where else? Oh, maybe right in there too. Oh yeah. Yeah, baby. All right, YouTubes. Day 2, take 2. Let's see if we can get, if we're getting chicken hawked or if we can get some video of the actual work today. That is the goal. Let's get out there. Oh, it's gonna be a nice sunrise today. Let's get out there. Woo. Oh yeah. Little morning drive down Mission Street. Look at this. These out of the way. I think I'll pop one out. Just loosen the bottom one. Boom. Breaking records. Boom. Get all these. Get this cover off. Is your next move. Off, there it is. You got a couple axial fan motors. And there's your coil. Got 1 screw on that side, 2 screws on this side. An extension for your Phillips. Will be your friend. I got my vacuum going. New dryer, new cap tube, new coil. And then this is how I weigh my charge in. The Master Cool. Back together, breaking some records. 8 o'clock. They're already down to 39. Everybody inside's all back and nice and purty, like she's supposed to be. Oh yeah. Oh, digitaler. Beverage Air is not too bad to work on. Get a little bit of a video on there. The boss was still in there lurking, but doing them back to back like that, you know, one day, one the next day. The second one went way faster because I already knew what to expect. And the Beverage Air design's not bad. You know, it's like anything else. The coil, you know, the coils are gonna fail. The evaporator coils. To get to the probes on those, they left access in the back that comes off. So if you had, they're using the Danfoss control. So if you had to replace both of the probes in there, it's not a deal killer. Just get the customer to empty all the product out and then go to town. You know, if it's on wheels, you need it to be on wheels so it can come out, because you got to get to the back of these units. So if any customers are watching this or you have a restaurant, put your reach-ins on wheels. Most of this R290 stuff, the mechanics have to get to the back for repairs on these. Especially if you build a bar, don't build a bar and frame your units in. You'll never be able to repair them. But yeah, the Beverage Air stuff, not too shabby. So if you haven't yet, hit the like button. If not, hit the subscribe. Look how cold enough there's frost on that roof on the one section where the sun's not hitting it. It was a chilly little morning. All right. Like, subscribe, see you on the next one, and that's it. Laters. here.